You all are doing well. I hope I'm audible for everyone, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So in between the sessions, you can unmute your mic and you can ask whatever the doubts you have. This session is going to be long last at least 2 to 3 hours. Before starting the session, just wait for 2 minutes. We need to wait for others also, right? So you can ask whatever the doubts you have in between the sessions. I'm going to clear all your doubts. We arranged a special Q&A session. In that session, you can also ask your doubts. Okay. Let me share my screen first. I hope my screen is visible for everyone, right? Right? Yeah. Hi, guys. Okay. How your journey going? You know, guys, it was a very tough journey when I was started. I started without nothing. Now it's really good. Hello, sir. Hey, hi, everyone.
Sure.
Yeah. Yes, bro. Speak Tamil. Okay. Yeah, I'm also Tamil, you know, right? Guys, I hope I'm audible for everyone, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, bro.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So in a minute, we are going to start this meeting because we already wait a lot of time. So my voice is audible enough, right? For everyone.
Yeah,
bro.
absolutely.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay. I hope you all are very interested for this session, right? Sorry for making you delay for more than a week.
Okay.
Yeah, due to the payment gateway failures, we have to wait. Okay, guys. Okay, let's start the session. Let me
Yes.
record.
Yes.
Let me record it. Okay, recording. It's in recording. Okay. Welcome everyone. This is Team Bexfolio. We trade liquidity. So in this bootcamp, what you are going to learn? You are going to learn what is really liquidity inducements theorem and why liquidity inducements theorem was very super powerful. They didn't getting voice. Everyone is getting my voice, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I leave and join again?
Yeah, it's your wish. You can leave and join again. Just make sure to join again, okay? First, join first. We need to start. Okay. Is it my voice breaking?
Yeah, somewhat like breaking.
Sometime.
Now?
Yeah, no, okay, not now, bro, but sometimes it's happening.
Okay. I hope it's clear now, right?
Yeah, bro, sure.
Okay, thank you. Good and audible. Okay, guys. So today we are going to learn about liquidity inducements theorem. What is liquidity inducement theorem? Liquidity inducements theorem is the most powerful concept in the industry. Let me tell you why. Okay. So in this bootcamp, we're going to reveal the secret of algo trading. People are cheating by. I have been studied various communities, like 20 to 20 plus communities. I studied 20 plus communities. Most of the people selling courses like algo, with like random stop losses, random entries. But here we won't take any random entries. We won't take any random exits. Everything was precise and everything was pre-issued. Okay. Okay, yes. So this is the bootcamp, mind map of bootcamp. This bootcamp is separated into 5 parts. The first part will be introduction. Second part will be truth about the trading strategies. The third part will be liquidity inducements theorem. The fourth part will be breakdown using a liquidity inducements theorem. Fifth part will be Q&A sessions. In the Q&A sessions, no matter whatever the doubts you have, you can ask your doubts. I'm going to clarify your doubt, no matter how much time it's going to take. In between the sessions, you're going to have only one break, 1 or 2 break. I'm planning only 1 break, okay? If it's necessary, we will give an additional break here also, okay? So forgot to share the link. Just a moment. Guys, kindly mute your mic. We will start in a minute. Kindly mute your mic. Saurabh.
Yeah.
Kindly mute your mic. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask. Okay? Okay, guys, we are going to start. I hope my screen is visible for everyone, right?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Okay, guys. This session is divided into 5 parts because these are the parts of this session. Yeah. So first of all, let me come to introduction session. Okay. No, I can't able to speak in Tamil in this session because there is a lot of people who is from Kerala and other states, Mumbai and other countries also. So I can't able to speak in Tamil here. So 1 more minute, guys. Some guys are trying to join in our session. So kindly give 1 more minute. Kindly mute your mics. So I need to change the settings. Okay?
Hello, bro. Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You're going to say about liquidity inducement theorem, or you start with what is meant by liquidity, bro? You start from, you'll be starting from there, right, or directly going?
So this is the topics we are going to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you say about what is liquidity alone, and then
in Q&A sessions you can ask whatever the doubts you have.
Okay.
I told it already, right?
Okay, bro. Okay.
You can ask whatever the doubts you have.
Okay, bro. Okay.
If you want to ask doubts in between the session, just raise your hands. Okay. I just muted everyone's mic for it's just like interruption, right? So if someone is randomly unmuting mic, so I just muted everyone. If you want to ask anything, just raise your hands, or I think you can unmute, right? Okay, guys. So these are the 5 parts we are going to deal today. Let me give the introduction first. Okay, guys. So Rulshit can't able to come here because he was searching for our trading office in Ernakulam. In a month, we are shifting to Ernakulam. I hope this month we'll be in Ernakulam. If you are nearby Ernakulam or you want to meet, you can come to Ernakulam to meet us. Okay. So Bexfolio, we trade with liquidity. He's a Mohammad Rulshid. He's a chairman and founder of Bexfolio. I am Bhagat Singh Murugesan, your mentor and CEO and co-founder of Bexfolio. Okay. I hope this was not a necessary thing. Okay, guys. First of all, why your trading strategy fails? Let's start from this. Okay. So here most of you comes because of your trading strategy, because of the failure in your trading strategy, right? Why this trading strategy is getting failed? You people forgot to think trading is a game of probabilities. You people are thinking like it was a game. You all think it was like a video game. That's why you are failure in this game. When you start think in terms of probabilities, definitely your ideology, your methodology, your way of trading will completely change. Think about a strategy with 1:3 RR and less than 40% of winning rate. What is going to happen? This strategy is still profitable, right? Just 1:3 RR with 40%, 40% winning rate. It's still profitable, guys. It's still profitable. So most people fail here because their own greed. Why people are greed? Why people are failing in this trading world? Because whenever, okay, let me consider an SMC trader, okay? An SMC trader finding the breakout structure and he will get an entry here, but he won't exit at the exact point. He will hold this trade and it will happen, right? How many of you affected by this? How many of you affected by this problem? Just you can drop a message in the chat box, yes or no. Just me. Yeah. So most of you. Okay. Okay. And okay, guys, give me a minute. I forgot to introduce some more important people here. Okay. So sorry for taking time. Kindly forgive me. Okay. Yoki, are you there? Yoki?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So kindly turn on your video. Yeah. He's Yokesh Kumar, my partner in the whole journey. He knows all the theorems, all the trading methods I know. We discussed and we grown together. From the scratch, we learned together from support and resistance. He is the most important part in my trading journey. He will be assisting you in Bexfolio group. If you have any doubts, you can ping me him. He will clear all your doubts. I hope it's clear, right? Okay. You can turn off your video. Bari, are you here? Bari?
Yeah, I'm here.
Kindly turn on your video.
Great.
Yeah. Okay. He is Abdul Bari. He is my very close friend, and I'm proud to say he is also my student. He is a LIT performer, good performer in LIT theorem. If you have any doubts, you can ping him also. He will clear all your doubts. He is helping minded, but don't disturb him. Just ping in the Bexfolio group or in the liquidity gang group. Both groups are the same minded groups. He will clear or he will explain all the things and he will share his analysis in both the groups. Okay, Barry, if you want to say anything, just say. Okay. You can turn off your video. Basit, are you here? Basit, are you here? Basit, are you here? Okay, guys, we can start the session. Sorry for making delays in introduction part, because if you want to ask some doubts, you can also ask these peoples. That's why I told about these guys. Okay, guys, most people will fail here because of their own greed. What is greed now? Look at this. So let me consider an SMC trader. He will hold this trade. He just want to pause his account in a single trade. He just want to change his life in a single trade, but it won't happen. Why? Because Trading is all about probabilities, not a video game to change in a single trade. You need to think about probabilities. You need to cut at exactly your exit. Let me explain you with another thing also, okay? Most people will take challenges without a data-driven strategy. What a data-driven strategy. Most people, nowadays I receive most people messages like, bro, I started a funding challenge. Now it's drawdown 5%, 8%, 3%, 7%. Can you recover it? Definitely I can recover it. But the thing is, why I need to do? Because when you are entering into trading, you need to enter with the data-driven strategy with the winning ratio, right? Whose mistake is this? Guys, I'm not a Forex god to help everyone, right? If I want to help, I can able to help only one person at a time, right? I'm just a normal human. I'm not a Forex god to help everyone. Most of the people texting me like this. Don't text me like this. If you want any help, you can ask. I can help you, definitely. But the thing, without a data-driven strategy, without a winning rate, without a proper trading plan, don't go for a funding challenge. Okay? Guys, I'm not telling someone particularly. I received most of the messages like this. That's why I'm telling. But sure, I'm going to help you. If your account was in drawdown, definitely I'm going to help you. Don't worry, okay? After this scam, just text me how much drawdown you have. I'll make a plan according to it, and I'll try to share my own analysis, okay? In this way, I can help you all. Okay, guys. So think about it. How many of you fail in these 2 points? Just 2 points. In these 2 points, how many of you getting free? Most of the people, I think 80% of the people will fail in the first point and 20% of people will fail in the second point, right? Am I right? Yes. Okay, guys. Think about it. Okay. Let me discuss a trading strategy with 1:3 risk reward with less than 50% of winning rate. Let me consider this 6 losses. Okay. I'm getting 6 losses. For the first 6 trades, I never get a winning trade. Okay, it's not a problem. I lost only 6% by risking only 1%. Okay, 1% of the account. And for the very next 4 trades, I'm winning. I got 12 RR, right? End of the day, it was in 6 RR in profit, right? End of the day, so it was 6 RR in profit. Guys, don't mark anything. Unless you are asking doubts. Yeah. Unless you are asking doubts, don't mark anything, okay? If you have doubts, just you can unmute. So, what do you need to do? First of all, you need to understand the trading concept. Stick with one concept. Guys, don't mark anything, okay? First of all, you need to understand the trading concept. And you need to make a trading plan which suits your system, and you need to have a winning strategy with at least, guys, don't mark anything. Okay. So you need to have a winning strategy at least below 50.
അതിൽ മാറ്റുന്ന പേര് ആ സൈഡിൽ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യരുത്. ഒന്നായിട്ട്, അതായത് ഒരു 80-100 ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഒന്നിച്ചെടുക്കുന്ന ഒരു സെഷൻ അല്ലേ, അത് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ അത്രയും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ആരും മിസ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യരുത്.
Yeah. So what you need to do, you need a data-driven strategy. What is a data-driven strategy? Look at this strategy. Just a simple 1:3 RR strategy. It's still profitable. Out of 10 trades, it was in 6 RR profit. In the very next trade, you can clear a funded account, right? You can easily clear a funded account using this strategy, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
You can tell it in chat box also. If my mu was right, you can tell it in the chat box. If you are not comfortable to unmute your mic, it's completely fine. Just text me in the chat box. I need to take this session very informative and very interesting. That's why I'm asking everything. I'm here to stay. I'm ready to spend 6 hours. From 4 to 10 p.m. I can able to spend if you are ready. Okay. So what do you need to do? First thing, what you are going to do after this session? Stick with one strategy, following a plan, making a plan with the winning strategy, right? So this is the first thing you need to do, right? Okay. Shall we move? Okay. You can use your annotate option to mark what you are looking. Just mark as per your strategy. If you are a SMC trader, just mark as per SMC. If you are a order supply and demand trader, just mark as per it. If you are a trend line trader, just mark as per it. If you are a chart pattern trader, just mark as per it. Use your annotate option. Use your annotate option here, guys. Yeah, just mark. Everyone. Let's take this session very informative and very interesting, guys. That's why. Yeah, everyone. Come on. You have 1 minute left. Till the 4:23, you can mark. Whatever the strategy you have, just mark.
Brother, can I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
Brother, at that moment I cannot annotate because this is not my strategy well.
Yeah, no,
Because
no problem.
I start from weekly, then
Okay.
I want to see some inducement stuff, range high, lows, that stuff. That's why I cannot annotate. Okay.
It's completely fine. It's completely
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Stop. Yeah. Okay, guys. So here, what do you know? You people may see it's a screen full of scratches, right? Right? But think here, in this particular picture, every strategy is going to work. How I'm going to tell every strategy is going to work? Look at this. It's a trend line. Breakout, retest, buy. It's working, right? First of all, trend line strategy is working. Fine. Now, look at this. A breakout structure after a bearish market. It's a change of character. And now, order block and entry. This strategy works, right? Now, look at this. Here is the supply. Supply failed. And guys, kindly mute your mic. Kindly mute your mic. Guys, kindly mute your mic. Who's this? Sibi, kindly mute your mic, bro. If you want to ask doubts, you can ask. Definitely you can ask. And the thing is, it's also considered. Who tells that body is only considered? Guys, there is a thing, there is a difference between liquidity. Guys, kindly mute your mic. Sibi,
Hi.
kindly mute your mic. If you want to ask your doubt, just ask. Unless don't answer. Come on, Sibi. Come on, guys. Don't make any fun. Okay? We need to take this for a very long time. And I need to deliver more informative stuffs here. That's why I'm here. Okay. Okay, so I'll explain in the end of the session. I'll explain why wicks are in count, guys. There is a difference between liquidity grab and liquidity collection. Okay, liquidity grab and a breakout structure. So wicks are also considered. Let me I'll explain in the Q&A session, okay? Just remind me once. Now, this is not our topic. Now we are discussing about trading, different type of trading strategies, okay? So look at this. This supply got failed and this demand flipped the price. And look at this. Here we got a supply and break, okay? A solid breakout. Breakout and we have a retest and buy. It's also success, right? Every trading strategy is going to work. Look at here. A trend line breakout works. A breakout structure, a change of character, order block, and tap and works. And look at this. A simple supply and demand trader works. And a Fibonacci trader just using Fibonacci by measuring the swing low and swing high. It's also going to work. He is getting entry from his golden zones, right? Why I am showing this? You people are getting affected and trapped by one to pesos. To be frank, every trading strategy is a good strategy. Every trading strategy is going to work. But why you are failing? You don't have any plan. You don't have a trading plan, perfect trading plan. That's why. What is a trading plan? What is a data-driven strategy? Did you think in any day, do we have a winning strategy? Do we have followed that? You just induced by the market makers. They used your emotions against you, just against you. After the session, it never gonna happen to anyone, okay? So now let's come to liquidity inducements theory. So it's going to be an introduction. Why I'm showing you this? Every strategy is going to work in the market. No strategy is a cheaper one. No strategy is a perfect one. Every strategy is going to work. That's why I'm showing these pictures. Okay. Okay, guys. Now liquidity inducements theory. Let me tell you a secret here. Every trading strategy is going to work in the market. We trapped and by different type of fancy names and fancy strategies. What is a fancy name and fancy strategies? We designed the strategies like LIT, SMC, Fortunes, blah, 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 blah things. Everything was the same. Every concept is originated from a single thing. Okay. No matter whatever the strategy, it's going to work in the market. You need to follow and stick with the plan. That's it. Look how many people are getting funded and making millions using simple support and resistance. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this point? Let me know. Everyone.
Yes, brother.
Everyone.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Everyone is getting funded using simple support and resistance. Then why you are losing?
Brother.
Then why you are losing? They have a data-driven strategy. They are following their plans. They are stick with their plans. They are taking only 5 to 10 trades per week or per month. You people are getting 10 trades in a single day. That's the difference. You know, there is a quart in trading. Trade less, make more. Trade more, make less. Okay. I hope you got the point, right? Yeah, less is more. You got it. So don't do that. After the session, you should not do the mistakes again. Don't repeat it, okay? Okay. So there is a mistake. Double or okay, fine. There is no holy grail here. To be frank, there is no holy grail. What you need to do is following a simple strategy. Yeah, we will explain every doubts in the Q&A section, okay? Okay. Why we need LIT? Now, I'm the one who told that every trading strategy is going to work, right? Now I'm sticking with LIT, which is meant by liquidity inducements theorem. Why LIT? Why especially LIT? Liquidity inducements theorem was a concept where we trade liquidity to liquidity areas. Look how we don't look why we don't follow the structure. It was a mistake, okay? Don't mind this. Look why we don't follow the structure. In liquidity inducements theorem, we mark the structure, but we don't follow the structure. Let me tell you why. Okay. Structure is only a path which was traveled by the market. Structure only can tell the path which was market gains. It can't tell the way it goes. Okay. That's why we didn't trade structures. we trade liquidity. Liquidity is a place where market really moves. So versus like Abdul sir. Abdul Kalam sir. Yeah, I was belong to Abdul Kalam's native. Okay. Structure is only a path which was traveled by the market. Okay. Structure is a way where market actually travels. Okay. But it was not a way where it's going to travel in the future. But liquidity is the place where market is really going to reach in the future. Okay. Liquidity is a place where market really moves. We need to understand the difference between the structure and liquidity. I'll show you an example. Okay. I know you guys are a bit confused, right? How many of you a bit confused? Just let me know in the chat box. Market moves from liquidity to liquidity. Buy side is collected. Yeah, exactly. All right, man. So how many of you a bit confused here? How many of you a bit confused? How many of you? Yeah. Everyone.
Yeah, me. My name is Janadev, and
Okay,
me
okay,
also.
okay. Fine, fine, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
No, brother, I am not confused because I know this little bit of LIT concept.
Okay, okay, okay.
Price just
It's
move
good.
buy side
Yeah.
side liquidity to sell side liquidity, and price
Okay.
group structure and
Yeah.
all those stuff, internal to external, like that.
Let me explain. If
Yeah,
it's
yeah, brother.
not clear, let me explain. I have a special example for you. I promise you didn't see this example before in anywhere. Okay. So I'm from India, right? I'm from India. I need to go Dubai. Okay. So I can able to travel in flight. Okay. The flight can able to travel many ways. This is not a way to travel, right? The flight can go Sri Lanka, from Sri Lanka to Singapore, Singapore to Malaysia, Malaysia to Dubai. Or the flight can directly go to Singapore, and Singapore to Dubai, right? So this is the one of the way, and there is so many ways to reach Dubai, right? I can go Qatar, from Qatar, Dubai, right? I can go Saudi, Dubai. I can go anywhere to reach Dubai, right? Right? I can go
Yeah,
in
yeah,
to
absolutely.
reach Dubai, right?
Yeah, bro.
So let me tell you clearly, this is the liquidity points. India and Dubai was the liquidity point. No matter wherever your origin is, you need to reach Dubai. This is the way which we are following, like structure. This is structure. There is so many structural ways to reach a single place, right? You got it? Destination was same, but the way of traveling was different. I hope it's clear all your doubts, right? Let me know. If it is not clear, let me know. I hope it's clear, right? Liquidity is the place where we need to go. Structure is a way where we can able to go to that particular place, right? Okay.
Yeah, brother. Structure is the main thing. Yeah.
Okay. You got this. You got the point, right?
Yeah, yeah, brother. Structure and liquidity inducement is the more
okay.
important thing.
We need
Okay.
to go.
Okay. Fine. We can go. Okay. That's why we trade liquidity inducements theorem. Okay. Now, let me ask you a question. Okay, if you are planning to go for a road trip, okay?
Hello,
Yeah.
Shiva. Can you explain it again? Because I think there are so many folks that can't able to understand this concept.
Okay, fine. So the thing, when guys kindly mute your mic, everyone kindly mute your mic. If you want to ask your doubt, just ask. No problem.
Yeah, okay. I have a doubt, bro.
Yeah.
Can I ask?
Yeah, you can ask.
Okay. How do you know the structure is going good? how do you know the
Your voice was not there.
we have?
Your
Yeah,
voice was
how
not
do we
audible.
know that structure? How do we know the structure that we are able to go on?
Okay, I can't be able to hear, but I think I got your question. So let me explain. We don't trade structure, trade
I know.
liquidity. Okay, we trade liquidity. That's what I'm going to explain. We
Can I
don't.
interfere?
Yeah.
I think he's asking, how do you know the India and Dubai? I mean, the where to where? Is
Yeah,
that correct?
I'll explain. I'll explain one by one, one by one. No,
Okay,
don't
yeah.
worry. Okay, I'll
Okay.
explain one by one. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So Sajagan's iPhone. Who's that? Just ask your dogs. Just unmute your mic and ask your dog. If you have that. Okay, China Dev, kindly mute your mic. Okay, fine. So let me explain you again. India and Dubai are the liquidity points. If price collected the buy side liquidity, which is mean by, okay, let me explain. Let me take here. The seller is lying here. His entry, seller is having a stop loss. After price collecting the stop loss of sellers, it needs to return. Okay, like this. So I know this is India, and now where I need to go? I need to go Dubai. So these are the liquidity points. So to reach this point, this is not a only one way. Price can go down, price can go up, go down, go up, and go down. Price can go directly down, reach this. So these are other ways. That's why we don't follow the structure. Instead of structure, we are following liquidity. I hope it's clear, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So
Actually,
yes, guys,
I don't get it.
whatever the doubts you have, we will discuss in the Q&A session because a lot of people are here, right? So we will
Actually,
discuss the doubts in the Q&A session, okay?
I didn't get that liquidity. Where is form on the liquidity?
Okay, kindly mute your mic. I'll explain in the clearing session, okay? Q&A session. Okay, guys. I hope it makes sense for all, right? Let me know. Let me know once. If it is clear, just
Yeah,
type
brother. Yeah, brother.
chat box.
Continue, brother. Otherwise, we'll late.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So understand this. Liquidity points. We need to travel from one liquidity point to another liquidity point. That's what we are going to trade, not the structures. Okay. We are going to trade between the liquidity point to liquidity point. We will see an example using liquidity inducements theorem. We have one breakdown. Okay. Yeah. So what are the things you need for traveling? Let me consider you people are planning for a road trip. So what are the things you need for travel? Chat box. Use your chat box. Yeah, bro. First, we are going to complete the session. Definitely. Hereafter, the doubts will be cleared in the Q&A session. Okay. Car, fuel, and what are this? Another thing. If you want to go from one place to another thing, yeah, car, fuel, money, and what is another thing? Route. Yeah, you got it. Right. You got it. Enough. Look at this. What we want. First of all, for a road trip, we need a car. And then we need a direction, right, ma'am? Definitely we need a direction, right? And fuel. This is the important thing. Without fuel, the market can't able to move, right? Without fuel, the market can't able to move. Now, let me explain how the liquidity inducements theorem actually works. Look at this picture. So you have a Lamborghini here. How many of you want this? You have a Lambo here. Lamborghini, okay? Now, this is the car, okay? The liquidity is fuel in the market, okay? These big fuel stations are major highs. Major highs. These are minor highs. These are internal structures. This is external structure. So price will collect internal structure, internal range liquidity, and price will collect external range liquidity. Price will start collect IRL to ERL. This is a never ending cycle. The internal range liquidity was little bit of liquidity. The external range was big liquidity because consider this as a structural range. This is your lower high and lower low. Between this lower high, we have a internal range liquidity. Price will collect the internal range before collecting the external range. Same thing happen again. Price will collect the internal range before collecting the external range. I hope this makes a lot of sense for you all, right?
Hello,
Yeah,
bro. I have a question.
yeah, you can.
Uh,
Real quick.
the second one, this one, the fuel, this one,
Okay.
this one. So this
Okay.
one is, it's broke the structure, right? Here.
Yeah, it's
So
broke.
why did
structure.
it took this one, this
one?
liquidity?
Which one?
Why?
Brother, because of
This
smart money
liquidity,
fail.
this
That's why smart money fail, brother.
No. You getting wrong. Look at
Okay.
this. This
Okay.
is complete structure range. Okay. This is one range.
One
And
range.
now this is going to be turning lower high and this is lower low. Why we need to take a lower high? Because we swept already a high. This means this high was protected. In this sense, this high needs to be react. That's what exactly happened. These are the doubts you can ask in the Q&A session. Just mark your doubts.
Okay.
Thanks. Just take your notes because a lot of people are waiting. So we arranged a Q&A session. I'm here to clear all your doubts. Okay.
Okay.
We left the chat. Okay. I'm having my Lamborghini. Look at this. How my journey is going to. I'm going to collect 10 liter of fuel and I can able to travel small time and here the fuel station. And I need to collect some more fuel in the big fuel station. And after that, I need to collect some fuels in every gap. Look at this. First, I collect a liquidity, which is meant by IRL, which is small fuel. And I collect large fuel, which is meant by ERL, external range liquidity. This is how the market really moves. This was never ending cycle. Price will take IRL and ERL. IRL, which is meant by internal range liquidity. ERL, which is meant by external range liquidity. Price will collect internal range liquidity first, then price will collect external range liquidity next. This is the never ending cycle. I hope how we are trading is making sense, right? We don't follow the structures. We following liquidity. So how we are going to trade here? Yeah. After this move, we will wait for the price to collect the internal range liquidity. From after this, we are aiming from here to here. This is going to be our main move. But when you follow the structure, it won't be happen, right? It won't be happen when you're following structure. If you are following structure, you can able to see only breakouts. That's why we don't trade structures. We are trading liquidity. I hope it makes sense for everyone, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And the thing is, guys, just here you are in the session, right? Just forget about the past things. I was very experienced. I have been trading liquidity inducements theorem for more than 1 year, and I have been trading for the past 3 years. So I just came across all the contents you have came across. So you don't have any doubts on me. Okay, just trust what I'm telling and just ask your doubts.
Yeah, brother. That's why we come into your bootcamp.
Yeah. Okay.
Appreciate
So
your work, bro.
kindly forget about your things. Kindly don't ask like, bro, why this didn't take this guy? Because I'm explaining new concepts. Just forget. Okay. We called this part as unlearn and relearn. Okay. So I need to thank someone. Yeah. Sir. Thank you, bro. He reminds me this point. Okay. Okay. So this is how the market really moves. I hope it makes sense for all, right? If it makes sense, just drop in the chat box yes. We can able to move. I hope it makes sense how we are going to trade. Okay, fine. Enough. Okay, guys. So a breakdown trade using liquidity inducements theorem. I know most of the people are waiting for this part, this particular part, right? How many of you waiting for this part? Okay, fine. So breakdown using liquidity inducements theorem. Okay. First of all, no matter whatever the strategy you are using, just mark where is your order block. Just mark. Try to mark your order block or your entry area. First of all, okay. Just a minute. Just I'll erase everything first. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. I need to tap something. Just mark your bias and mark your entry area like this. Let me explain. Just a minute. Don't draw. If your entry area is this, then you need to draw like this and draw like this. Okay. If your entry area is this, you need to draw like this and draw like this. Okay. Okay. Now,
I have a question.
yeah, you can ask
Yeah,
your
okay.
name, bro.
How do
You can
know
ask.
that?
You can ask
Yeah,
your name. Okay. I am here.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Bro, I'm not able to draw anything. How can I do?
Just go to annotation.
Hello, brother.
Click here 3 dot option. There you can able to see the annotate option. Okay, most of you aiming for cells, right? Most of you are aiming for cells, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, enough. Just stop. Enough.
Bro, I am aiming for buys because
Okay,
here
no. Yeah. The thing is, there is a lot of people, okay? Just I'm going to complete the session. After that, I'll wait for 10 p.m. You can ask one by one, okay? No problem. Okay, bro? I hope it makes sense, right?
Yeah, bro, it's not a problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That will be perfect, right?
Yeah.
No. Look at this. The people
Okay, bro.
this as their order block will get trapped. This is a SMC trap. The people who sold here will got trapped. I don't know, but you know, right? Who is trying to sell from here? Who is trying to sell from here? Get trapped.
Yeah, brother. Smart money trader is for trapped.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me explain you how we are going to trade. Okay, using liquidity inducements. Look at this. These guys are getting trapped, right?
Bro, it's just look like an SMC, you know.
Bro, you can ask your doubts. End of this. Okay. I'm going to explain now. We are going to have a breakdown.
Brother, just wait. This is not SMC. This is a liquidity inducement theorem. So wait patiently. Yeah.
Bro,
hello, sir.
just yeah, kindly.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I want to tell you all the members, not you. Can I proceed?
What?
I want to tell you all the members which are listening and learning from you. I don't want to tell you that.
Okay.
Hello guys. Hello each and everyone. What are you doing, man? This guy is providing us a huge important knowledge, and we are asking a normal question. We can ask this question after the bootcamp, or the Bhagat Singh is providing us a video, so we can re-watch video and then ask him directly in the Instagram or Telegram. So please stop farming, guys.
Bro, kindly mute, bro. Jinadev, I told you already. Okay, kindly mute. You can ask in the doubt clearing sessions, okay?
Yeah, okay, bro.
Just mute, okay?
Yeah, okay, bro.
So I'm going to mute everyone. Sorry for this. And after completing the session, I'll unmute everyone, okay? So where is the mute option? Where is the mute option? So if someone knows, kindly DM.
Yeah, okay, bro. I'll do.
Yeah.
Shivo, hello. Please
Yeah.
tell them.
Yes, Barry, you can speak.
Hello, brother. Jinadev.
Yeah.
You can stop your video because your network connection is very poor, I think. So you can close your video first.
Okay. Sorry for everyone. So I'm muting everyone's mic. Okay. Sorry for this. If you want to ask your doubt, just raise your hands. And whatever the things I'm going to ask, just drop your message in the chat box. Okay. So kindly please forget about the things you learned in the past. This is the thing which is 1 minute, guys. Here's some noise. I hope you can also hear the noise, right? Is there any noise? Chat box. Is there any noise? Okay, fine. You can continue. Okay. Yeah, this is liquidity inducements theorem. This is a new concept. Okay, you came here to learn this concept from me. So don't ask your concept. Don't include your concept here. So just understand what I'm trying to tell and just grab some knowledge from my side. Okay, I hope it makes sense for all, right? Okay. Is there any noise? Just let me know. We can start. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. 1 minute. Okay. I hope it's clear right now, right? Okay. Sorry for the noise. Okay. So there is too much noise. So that's why I just mute. Okay. Yeah. 1 hour gone. I accept that, but I didn't make any delay, right? I'm just keeping my things and I'm just clearing all that out and I'm just going through the session, right? I don't make any delay. I don't take any rest. I didn't make the session delay, right? Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to deliver some more important thing in this thing. Just try to understand the thing, what I am delivering. Don't try to include your things. Okay. So look at this. This was liquidity inducements theorem. We are going to have a breakdown video, which is 1:54, which was taken by me in the live markets. Okay. In the past. It was in Euro AUD. So this is the picture you're viewing. Okay. This is the picture you're viewing. So what you guys can see here. Here, this is the whole picture. Okay. Look at the whole picture. This is the whole picture. Okay. So this is the whole picture I'm showing. Okay. Now, look at this. What you can see here. We had a breakover upside, right? And in the same time, we had a breakover downside. What it means. This is liquidity grab. And this is breakout structure. Okay. There is a difference between liquidity grab and breakout structure. Look at here. After grabbing the liquidity over here, after grabbing every sellers here, price started making lower rise and lower lows. Okay. Lower rise and lower lows. Price started making lower rise and lower lows. Look at this area. In this area, price was very efficient. Efficient means after collecting this liquidity, price was strong enough. Break the low, right? Once breaks the low, it transfer the money from here to here. What is money transfer? Look at this. So here in the past, look at this. There is a lot of sellers laying here, right? Exactly this. In this supply block, they are getting collected, and the people who try to sold here are getting stopped out, right? Sold here are getting stopped out with this order block. With the reference to this order block, the people who tries to sell here are getting stopped out, right? Now the stop loss also are getting collected, and the money was here. The whole money is in here in this particular block. From here, this block now breaks the low, right? After breaking this low proves that this was strong enough to transfer the money, because we know which moves the market. Liquidity moves the market. What is the liquidity? Liquidity is nothing but your cash, your stop loss, which is meant by liquidity. Okay, so liquidity is the thing which moves the market. We need billions of dollars to move the market for a single pips. If you want to move a market for 10 pips, it takes billions of dollars. Okay. Okay. Now, so this stop losses was here. This stop losses are now here. This money was being transferred to this particular block. Look at the efficient price action. This candle wick mitigated here, mitigated here, mitigated here, mitigated here. Now the money was in this wick. Okay. Now the money was transferred efficiently to this block, right? After breaking this low, right? The money transfer is efficient. Now look at after this break, the money transfer was not happening, right? The people who tries to sell from here can can drop a message in chat box. Who thinks this was a perfect sell zone? Okay. Just drop. Yeah. Okay, completely fine. Yeah. Okay, I accept. But this is how and why you are missing larger amount of moves. Your view was perfect. I accept. A large breakout structure, large imbalanced price action, lot of liquidity, and imbalanced price action here also. I accept your point, but you forget one thing. When it comes to money transfer, what you need to do? The candle which mitigates the previous candle was in count. Okay, it means this candle contains the overall money. Now this bullish candle only mitigates the block, so you need to draw the block like this. Now the money was in this particular wick area. Why? Because money was transferred from this candle to this bullish candle, so it was belongs to this whole area. Now we got a mitigation here. Now how we can able to find this? How we can able to find this? Just I'm going to switch the time frames, 30 minutes. Okay. Multi-time frame analysis. Now we got transfer from this block to this block. Now the whole money is being in this block. In this block, I need a strong high, which is meant by protected. Look at this. This high sweeps liquidity, in the same time breaks the structure, right? So now the money was here. The money which was belongs to this particular block was here, this candle wick. Now I'm going to mark this as my order block area. Now we got a mitigation. Now look at this again. Look at again, okay? Now which candle mitigates this candle? So the money transfer was belongs to bullish candle, which mitigates this first. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Look at this. Now your whole money was in this block only, and it proves that it was power enough to break all the lows, right? Now this is going to be my point of interest. So there is another way to confirm the point of interest. How? So where this where this supply comes from? This supply origins from a demand area. Look at this. This is a S2D area. Look at this. First price just rejected from this demand area and collects the money from the previous block, and it was powerful and it shows its power by breaking the lows. Okay. So this high was power enough to hold. Why? Because here it proves I am powerful to break the lows. And what happens? What happens here? It generates all the liquidity it wants. So this is the larger liquidity pool. This is a liquidity pool. Okay. We are not going to take direct entry from this. Okay. I'll explain step by step. So this is how I validate my point of interest. Now this is going to be my point of interest. Now let's switching the time frame. Look at this. Where is my point of interest and where is your point of interest? I hope you can able to identify your past mistakes now, right? This is why you are missing your larger amount of moves and you are getting trapped. This is the trap, SMC trap. Why? Why this was SMC trap? Let me explain you this thing also. Because money transfer was not happened here. Finally money was here. Okay. Let me explain. Price collected the money here, and from here it was breaks the low and transferred the money to this candle, and from this candle everything was efficient. Now the money was transferred from this candle to here, and from here this bullish candle reason, and this money was transferred from this candle to this candle wick, and now this candle wick to this candle wick. This candle wick contains the money. This candle wick doesn't contain any money. So this is the reason for your sell, not this. This is how SMC trap works. I hope it makes sense for all, right? Yeah, the video is recorded. I hope this point makes sense for everyone, right? The SMC trap. The money was not being transferred to this particular block. If it was power, then only this block can hold the price to the downside. But it can't be able to hold. Why? Because there is no money in this block, right? Okay, now what we need to do? We need to wait for the price to come to our block. That's what we need to do. Just wait, okay? Okay, price tapped and reached, okay? Price perfectly tapped our block and reached. Now I'm switching the time frame to 30 minutes again. Now this is my point of interest, I know. So entry process. It was like not a different one, same thing, okay? Just switching the time frame to 5 minutes for an entry, okay? Okay, look at this. Look at this area. What price is doing? Price is doing, making higher highs and higher lows, right? Look where I'm following the structure. Look minutely how I'm trading. Look how I'm trading, okay? So look at this. So price is making higher highs and high lows. Structure was very efficient. If price breaks this low, then only I need to look for some sells, right? So I'm just looking for the sells. Look at the break. Price broke this, right? Now there is nothing clear here. So I need to switch the time frame to some more convenient for me. Look at this. The whole, again, think in terms of money transfer, okay? Think in terms of money transfer. The money was now in this whole week, and this week shows the power by breaking this low. So I was power enough to break the low. So this week contains all the money, this candle. From this candle, the money was transferred to this week, right? And from here, money was transferred. And from here, money was transferred to this block. Now the money was here. And this high proved that I was strong enough to break this lows. And it forms inducement here, right? It forms its own inducement here, right? That is inducement. So I choose this block for my first entry with this 3 pip stop loss. the target will be the last low which was made by the market. 4 hours swing low. So this is going to be the target. It offers us a 1:54, I think. Okay. So now back to the 3-minute. So I'm going to put a limit entry trigger over here. This was my entry trigger. And I'm just waiting for the price to tag in. Price just tagged in. And look. And look here. Price doesn't hit my stop loss. This is the high, right? Doesn't hit my stop loss, right? Look at this. So we made a huge fall, right? And I'm switching the time frame for one more entry. Now I need to look another entry. Now I secured this position at break even. Now this position was in break even. Now look at this picture. Where is the money? Whole money. Think in terms of money transfer. The money was from here to here in this particular candle, from this candle to here. Now this wick mitigates the bullish candle, right? So the money was in this wick candle. If I need to take an entry again, I need to take from this wick. So I need to take an entry from this wick only. Okay. First position was break even now. And I'm going to take a second position. I'm not going to take this much of stop loss. This is, I think, 20 pips. I don't take this. So, but I'll definitely take an entry here. How? Let me explain you this. So price, look at this. Here, most people will get trapped. People will think that this is the continuation for the supply. What people will think? People will think that, look at this, this demand got failure over here and this supply flipped the price. So people will try to sell from here, but this will be getting stopped and our block will be getting reacted. That's why you need to know about liquidity inducements theorem. Here, we need a fuel for our block. This is going to be inducement. Definitely it's going to be inducement, okay? It will give, look at this. Get out, right? I'm sorry. So this entire candle is the reason. This entire candle was the mitigation part. Now we got a mitigation in our block, right? So why I'm considering this entire candle is this, look at this. We got this entire candle as our reason. But we have inducement. So we are placing this little bit higher. This entire candle is the reason, guys. We're placing this above because of this inducement. Now price took the inducement. Now what I need to do? This guy contains all the money now. If it was power enough, it needs to break some lows, right? So I was waiting for the price to break some lows. Look at this. Price broke this low, right? And look at this. It contains inefficient price action, collected the inducement, money transfer was efficient. Now this is going to be my order block. IFC, which is institutionally funded candle for my entry. This is going to be my second entry. Only confirmation entries. No undefined entries, no undefined stop losses, no undefined targets. Everything was predefined. It offers us a 1:33 order. Look at this. Price bulls inducement also. I don't take trades without inducement. So remember. So price tagged in, right? If price breaks this low, I was break even. If price breaks this low, I was break even in both the positions. Then I was break even in both the positions, right? Now, just see what happens. Then Why do you choose the big week? I explained everything, right? Everything in detail. So how was this? I'm going to explain this one more time also, don't worry. How was this? Chat box. Yeah, we can add more questions. But I took this two only. That's why I did explain. Yeah, I can show that. I can show the proof. I can show the proof, bro. Yeah, it becomes swing. Course can be taken in Tamil, English, and Malayalam. Yeah, course can be taken in Tamil, English, and Malayalam. We are planning 3 languages. Yeah, I'll explain money transfer in the end, okay? Yeah, we can able to explain in Indian market also. Why not? Yeah, we will offer special things for the bootcamp students. Don't worry. Definitely, I'll offer something for the bootcamp students. I hope it makes sense, right? Now it's a proof time. You people won't believe anything, okay? Don't believe anyone, not me. Don't believe anyone, guys. Anyone. Don't believe anyone, okay? So this is my Instagram profile. If you go to this profile, I pinned this post here. Look at this. This is the same trade which was explained by me. Look at this. I was marking SMC trap, breakout structure, sweep of liquidity, inducement, everything perfect. Now price was here, right? Look at this. Now I marked the change of character and the direction also. Now look at this. I just marked my entry tag, entry trigger, and the price running. And now here also. And look at this. I posted this thing, and you can have a look here. I think, yeah. I posted this in Instagram. You may ask for entry things. Yeah, I just posted for the MT4 also. Look at this. I posted MT4 also. I hope it makes sense for everyone, right? So, who wants one more breakdown? Who wants one more breakdown? Yeah, we can trade in this, in every market. Yeah, we are going to take in Malayalam, Tamil, English, and Malayalam. Yeah, we can able to take one more breakdown. There is no issue for me. Yeah, we don't need structure, bro. We just need liquidity. So, okay, how many of you accept my theory now? So just let me know, okay? How many of you accept me now? We don't need structure. We just need liquidity. How many of you going to accept? Guys, this is not even a 10%. Definitely, I promise this is not even 10% of liquidity inducements theorem. Yeah, bro. I hustled hard for this thing. I was trading for the past 3 years. Yeah, every market is going to work. We trade Bank Nifty and Nifty using this strategy. Dakshana Murthy, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Can you? I can unmute. Who is Saurav? Yeah. Bro, sell side liquidity was just the low, right? Can you know from one pair we can go? Yeah. We can get daily trades using liquidity inducements theorem. You can get anywhere, trade anywhere, enter, you can enter anywhere. Any possibility to show off your P&L details? And in the very first day of the group started, I'm explaining that this is not a group to show the profits and funds. You can ask my losses. I can show. I can't able to show the P&L something funds. I'm going to invest. I'm not interested with these stuffs because what you are going to do? You're here to learn my knowledge, and I'm explaining with the perfect things with the proof. Okay, not without the proof. I'm explaining with the proof. Just a minute. I'm hearing some noise. Give a minute. Yes. So who wants to unmute? Saurav, right? Yeah. Can you raise your hand, please? I can't be able to find you in the participants. Can you raise your hand? Saurav. Yeah. I'll unmute one by one. Okay. Hereafter, we are going to see another breakdown using liquidity inducements theorem. So who wants doubts? Who have doubts? First of all, Saurav. Saurav, can you raise your hand? It's only for swing. Yeah, no. It's definitely not. We are taking trades in all the directions. So you can use it for intraday, day, taking a intra swing. It's a better way. Intraday, yeah. In Bank Nifty and Nifty, I'll show you, bro. I'll show you. In Bank Nifty, Nifty, I'll show you. Okay. Yeah. I have setups in 1 minute. So 1 minute was perfect in LIT. Show me. Oh yeah, we will discuss one more breakdown. Saurav. Just a minute, bro. I'll try to unmute. So go to list and then click on. Yeah, just raise your hand, bro. Yeah, we'll go to one more breakdown. Don't worry. So in my entry point, what all the things you are going to focus on. So this is going to be explained in the Q&A session. Okay. So using only one pair is possible. Yeah, definitely possible. You can able to get profitable from a single pair following. Although some people, yeah, FVG, like I'll explain that thing also. Okay. In FVG, kindly remind me. I'll explain why FVG was so powerful. Bro, backtesting Euro USD. Bro, it's going to work in everywhere. I'm going to show this. Okay. No, I'm not a range student, but I watch these contents. I'm not a range student. So I'll show you how the theorem was found. Okay, Gaurav, kindly raise your hand. Then only I can able to unmute you. I can't able to find you in the participations. Yeah.
Yeah. So, brother.
Yeah. What's your doubt?
Are you listening me?
Yeah, I'm listening you.
So, brother, so my concern is how you took a money transfer trap, and how you how you define when I trade, how I define that this is a money transfer trap and this is my exact entry model and like that stuff, and what need I consider it to buy side liquidity to sell side liquidity?
Okay, super question. Yeah, I respect your question. Just you can back to unmute yourself.
Because brother,
I'll explain the thing.
One thing, brother, one more thing, because I am trade range to range.
Bro,
So
kindly understand. Yeah, I got your doubt. There is a lot of people are waiting. Okay, we will breakdowns. Then we can able to make Q&As. I remember your question, and will explain in the Q&A session for the very first. Okay.
Okay,
You-
perfect.
Okay. Got
Perfect.
it.
Thank you, Babu. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can money transfer. Where did you learn this from? Guys, don't ask a trader, where did you learn this theory? To be frank, you can't be able to learn from someone directly this one thing. This is the thing I found myself for the past 3 years. You can ask my friends, Bari, Basit, Bullshit, and Yoki. You can ask them how many days I spent for this and how many research I did for these things. You can't even learn from a single mentor these things because I was combined all the stuffs and I was a student of more than 20 communities. I actually told them I learned Iliatic ways, I learned footprints, I learned data strategy, I learned supply and demand, I learned chart patterns, candlesticks, SNR theories, OHLC, SMC concepts, liquidity inducements theorem, and whatever the different concept is there in the industry, I learned harmonic patterns. I learned everything and I just combined the thing and now I am using this. How can you ask me like who, I don't get you, bro. Definitely. And don't ask any trader because if he is a real trader, he hustled hard for this. He can't able to get any knowledge. I can able to transfer only my knowledge. You need to frame your data strategy. Okay. Yeah. You need to define your strategy. You need to be everything. This is what I framed for the past 3 years. You can ask my friends. I don't take trades easily. If I want to take trades, I need a confirmation on confirmation on confirmation. That's why I don't take trades here. I'm just waiting for the confirmation and confirmation and confirmation. I'm always waiting for the confirmation and confirmation and confirmation. In which time frame you are looking money transfer? And I showed you everything, right? I showed you step by step what is the time frame I'm using, right? Can you please? Yeah, you can. Please practice one. Yeah, you can. Definitely you can use. I'll show you my charts, okay? For the reference. And after this, we are going to have a look on another pair. This is GBP USD, okay? This is GBP USD. This is, I think, 1:16 something. And I got failed here. I got a failed buy over here. And I got a failed yeah, this is the cell I can't able to forget. This is the biggest move I capture in GU. This is one. This one. So for the past 400, to be frank, I didn't hold the trade, okay? But I did capture. I'll explain, okay? I'll explain what is the reason for this trade. I'll explain here what is the reason, okay? What is the reason and how can I able to find this? Okay? Everything I'll explain. Look at my charts. So you can able to use this in a single pair pro. Definitely, I'll show you how I use this theory in gold. These are the lines which you are seeing as my liquidity levels. These are my liquidity levels. These are my liquidity levels. I was aiming till 2017 in gold longs. But the thing is, I was aiming from this block, but gold was bouncing from this block. Fine, completely fine. Definitely, you can have everything. You can, like, in this theory, using this theory, you can have everything, bro. These are the trades I did take and I did share to my entire community. And these are the trades I did take in live and I did pause an account. There is a proof for everything. How to know liquidity level? Yeah, we will discuss later. Yes, bro. Okay, buddy, you can go. You can go, buddy. No problem. I'll handle it. So these are the things you can able to. So shall we go to the another breakdown video? Or you want to see my charts? Like Euro USD. I'm very happy to share my charts. To be frank, I'm very happy to share my charts. I don't have any issues to share. Start short, but continue on shorts. Continue on shorts. Okay. Okay, shall we do one more breakdown? What about chat box? What about one more breakdown? Okay. Yeah, we'll do one more breakdown, right? Okay, let's go. Using liquidity inducements theorem, someone asking GU, right? Okay, let's take GU, this guy. So what is the date? Monday, Jan 2023. Now we are leaving this guy. Yeah, we are going to do one more breakdown. Oh, what is this? When price was here, I hope I'm audible, right? I'm audible, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So when price was here, what is my view? So I'm just viewing in 4 hour, okay? So I was viewing in 4 hour and like I'm just looking this thing. So there is an inefficient price action left. So there is some inefficient price left in this area. And this was rejected from the inefficient price action. So I thought that this high needs to be taken out. This high needs to be taken out before reversing. So this is going to be my first liquidity point, which is made by buy side liquidity. Okay. This is going to be my buy side liquidity. After price taking this, I will aim for a sell till this area. Why? What is the reason? Just simple. So look at this. These was pure liquidity areas, and look at this. There is a lot of inefficient price action in this left. So I need to fill this block at least, right? So I'm switching the time frames to 30 minutes to see the imbalance clearly. And there is like inefficient price action left below. So I'll choose this block as a target. So these are my liquidity targets. 1 and again 2 and again 3. So these are the targets I'm looking for. Okay. Now I'm going to switch the time frame to 1 hour. In the 1 hour, I was waiting for the high to sweep and for a reversal till this area. Price just made a reaction from that high. And we got taken out, right? So this is matter now. We took buy side liquidity, hold sellers. Where is the money now? The money is in this candle. So, and from this, we got an efficient transfer. So what we need to focus on? We need to focus on this low to be broken. After breaking this low, we will only focus on sells. Okay, now this was done. Now I'm going to switch the time frame to 15 minutes. Look at this. Same thing happen again. Okay, same thing. So this bullish candle contains all the money. This bullish candle contains all the money now. Look at this. This candle was mitigated here. And look at this wick. This wick was now sweeps liquidity and break structure, right? Sweeps liquidity and break structure. Sweeps liquidity and break structure. So it's strong. And now the money was here from this wick. this wick was not able to mitigate it by the price. Look at this. The price was not able to mitigate the higher area. Look at this, where the money transfer happens. So from here, the transfer happens to here, this area. So price needs to come to this wick in the future. Okay, the transferred area. These are the liquidity pool for our zone. So I marked my liquidity pool, and this is going to be my point of interest. Okay. Yeah, you can ask, this entire area is valid. Definitely this entire area is valid. Definitely. But the way of refining is, we just refining except the inducement. This is the inducement. So we find the liquidity area and we just refine. Okay. This is how we are refining. If price comes here, you will take an entry. Okay. Because price broke structure, money transfer are efficient already. So I am switching the time frame for faster reply. So price was played from here. If price comes, this could be possible, still possible. So now we can able to switch back to 15. To be frank, I didn't get an entry here. To be frank, I didn't get an entry. If you want to go, you can just go, because it's just a very small stop loss, right? 7 pips stop loss, and we are aiming for at least, I think, 500 pips. Yeah, we are aiming for 550. So you can able to take this also. To be frank, I didn't take, okay? Look at this. Look at this. So we got a sniper entry over this area, right? So if you, okay, let me consider if you are missing this sniper entry. Okay, I'm considering this. You are missing this sniper entry. Fine. It's completely fine. How to take the next entry? Look at this. Price build up a large liquidity pool, and we got swept these liquidities, right? So the whole money was here. Now the price needs to transfer from here. So price must needs to come to this area. And price also broke the structure, right? So this is going to be my entry area again. Price tab, right? If you are missing this entry, don't worry again. Where is the money? Just follow the money, okay? If you are missing this entry, let's consider, okay? Just following the money, we can able to again look at this week. You can definitely take this week because money was here. Don't fear about anything. Just go with the money order flow. Money was here. Definitely you can go this. Okay. Okay, let me consider it. If you missed this one, fine, completely fine. Where is the next entry? Where is the money now? Money transfer was in this leg, right? Just focus on this one. You can take this whole week, okay? Except the inducement. Fine. So how many entries? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. If you missed this one, let's consider, okay? Let's consider. If you're missing this one, so, and remember, the important thing, price won't transfer more than 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Price won't to come back to your initial stage once it was transferred 4 times. Okay, so don't look for this again. So we need to find another entry in this area. In this area we can look, but definitely it will come. But the thing is, don't look for 4 consecutive mitigations. After 4 consecutive mitigations, don't look for. Okay, price to reach your area. Look at this. So here, let me switch the time frames to get an entry. Look at this. Price comes to this area and look at this. So yeah, 15 minutes enough. Look at this. This 15 minutes wick mitigates the candle. So money was here, right? From here, we need to transfer the money. Now, price tags and breaks a low. So, and builds an inducement. This could be your block to enter. This could be your block to entry. And now you got an entry. If you are missing this, don't worry. Look at this. We got a mitigation and now the money was here, right? So this is my entry. The money was here, right? We broke the structure low. We got transfer efficiently. Look at this. From this area, we transfer the money, 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 transfer the money. Now, where is the money? From this block. And where is the inducement now? There is the inducement. So just just wait for the price to tag in. Got it? Exactly, it looked like Quasimodo order block right now. I told you, right? When you come to the session, just forget about the fast things. We don't trade Quasimodo order blocks. Rejection block, market is market. Yeah, market is always market. Except exactly it looks like Quasimodo no. So why you are not looking for lower time frames here? Yeah, I'm just taking entries in lower time frame. I was just explaining this kind of things, and in the 15-minute block, it's enough, but because it's a very small block and the money transfer was in the part in while combining the bigger block. So you can't able to look in the lower time frame. Okay. It's not at the fifth mitigation. Yeah, fifth mitigation, definitely it's a fifth mitigation, I accept. But the thing is, most of the times you don't need to look for more than 4 times. Let me tell you why, okay? And that's the news candle, right? Yes, that's a news candle. I think Ruleshit Boy took the money. Yes, this concept is like a gym, definitely. Just showing buy and raise. Yeah, I'll show this. Can you do one more Indian market if that is just a minute? Just a minute, guys. So I'm going to show the proofs, okay? Proof of my entries, okay? Bro, how much days it needs to master? It depends upon your knowledge. That the thing is, everything depends upon you, bro. Can we do this concept? Is a scalping 1 minute, 5 minutes? Yeah, you can use any time frame, whatever the time frame, 1 minute, 30 seconds. You can take in whatever time frames. So how was the concept? How was the second trade? Guys. Yeah, we will do it, bro. So how was the concept, guys? How much does post take complete, bro? We will explain everything. Just give me so I need everyone. If you are giving my reviews, I can be able to show stuff, right? It can able to impress me. So the thing is, I hope you know about this, right? So I'll show you the trades which are taken using Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. So I'll show you on a Bank Nifty trade. So if you are interested in Indian markets, just raise your hands. 1 second. Yeah, we can do, bro. We can do, bro. We can do. 1 second. Why not? I need everyone's review to show one more breakdown. Everyone. 15 minutes can find something like, bro, the thing is, understand the thing. We are trading from higher time frame to lower time frame. We should not look just 15 minutes, just 5 minutes, just 1 minute. We are trading from 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute and 1 minute, 3 minute. So this is the thing. Not interested. Not interested? Okay, just review. Give your reviews about this trades. We can able to continue. Yeah, I'm here to spend a lot of time. Okay. You want one more? Yeah, one more. Why not? 4 hour to no 4 hour to directly 15 minutes is not a thing. Like we need to switch as per your convenient time frame. I'm switching 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Does LAT work in BTC? Everything. It works in everything. So some buy side breakdown. Why not? Nice. Not interested in the 100 rupees worth of 100 times. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Parcel buy side, but yeah, sure. We will do one. Okay. We want in 1 minute. Why not, bro? We will. I think the entries was on morning 3 a.m. and sure. Yeah, we will put limits. Why not? No, this was not morning 3 a.m. As per the Indian Standard Time, the entries were New York session. Most of entries met in the New York session. So some 5 minutes or 3 minutes now. Why I need to show only 5 minutes and 3 minutes? I'm showing the entire breakdown. Why I need to show some 5 minutes and 3 minutes? One more breakdown on gold. For the past some days, I didn't take notes, but before I take gold on trade, but I'll explain. Okay, one more in Bank Nifty, which one more timing perfectly. So please, how in Indian market, bro, your post duration, bro, how much days? There is a Q&A session. Okay. You can ask whatever the question by unmuting mic. Okay, I got doubt in liquidity and money transfer. Definitely it takes time. You can't able to get the overall the concept in a single day. Do you look for Asian? Yeah, definitely. I look for Asian highs and Asian lows, daily highs and daily lows, weekly highs and weekly lows, monthly highs and monthly lows. Every liquidity was for matter. That's why in my chart, if you view my chart, there is a lot of lines. So these lines refer to, this is not my chart. Okay. This is my chart. If you refer my chart, I trade in every chart, not only Y and R. I'm using Y and R, FXCM. I trade every chart. I trade every chart. And Forex.com. I love to markups. Oh, I don't know. I did erase it. I may erase it this. So Y and R and Forex. Forex. So how many of you interested to look gold buys? How many of you look interested to gold buy? So how much pairs you trade? I trade like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, bro, lot 16, 17 pairs I trade. Okay. Shall we move? Shall we move to the next? So how much was, shall we move to the next? I hope I'm delivering something useful for you, everyone, right? I didn't disappoint everyone, right? So I was delivered enough and they delivered the what these stuffs, right? How many trades you take in a week? Depends upon the criteria. You know, I don't take trades using just one confirmation. I want confirmation in confirmation in confirmation. Then only I take trades. Only confirmation and confirmation and confirmation. I'll take trades. Okay. So let's do one Bank Nifty review using liquidity inducements theorem, which offers on as a 79. What about this? Yeah, we are going to have a look. So how many of you are ready? Let me know. Hi, can you show us what you are do as a day trading? I'm showing this, bro. Most of the times I'm just looking the market. That's what I'm doing as a day trader. How many trades? Yeah, it depends upon. Okay, bro, let's continue. Bank Nifty, me, tell me, Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty. Yeah, we can able to take, bro. No worries. So please need to more explanation about LIT. What all the concept it includes. Yeah, we will explain about our course, our products, our course curriculum, everything. Okay. What all the concept include, what all the criteria to look for. Please do top-down analysis with bro. We did 2 top-down analysis by explaining step-by-step procedure, right? Step-by-step procedure. I never skipped a single step, right? I'm just explaining with the step-by-step, right? I hope it makes sense for everyone, right? So that is the thing. And can we join your Discord, bro? Why not? If you are part of a course, you can join in your Discord. You can come under my personal surveillance. Yeah, we are going to trade Bank Nifty. So I'm waiting for Rulshit, bro. He's coming to the session. Tomorrow exam, finish it. So, bro, marks doesn't matter, but education is definitely a matter. Unmute me one more time. You will ask. You can ask your questions in Q&A session. Okay, no worries. So, Rulshik bro is coming. Kindly wait for me 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, shall we start? What is LIT accuracy rate? It depends upon you and your own trades. So if you are looking confirmations, I missed a lot of trades. So please explain LIT in 1 minute and fine. Bro, I can't get the thing. You can't trade a single time frame. Definitely you can't able to trade a single time frame. It needs to take a lot of time frames. I'm using entries 1 minute and 3 minutes. As you said, we can do it. So explain us. The thing is, you can't able to do in a single time frame. It definitely not going to work. The thing is, you need to do top-down analysis from 4 hours, 1 hour. The thing is, you need to be know all the things to take the trades. Once you see this recordings and breakdowns, you can't able to take the trades. Okay. So, like you told, we can't scalp. Yeah, scalping also. Scalping. LIT was so powerful for scalping. So let's see in Bank Nifty, okay? Bank Nifty or gold? Just vote. I'm going to create a poll. Bank Nifty or gold? Which one you want to see? Bank Nifty or gold? Both. How many breakdowns I can give you? I promised you to give only 1 breakdown, right? But I'm giving already 2 breakdowns. Now it's going to be 3. Gold, Bank Nifty, gold, Bank Nifty. Oh, Rulshik bro is coming. Okay, Rulshik bro, you can turn on your video now. Rulshik bro is coming. Kindly stop everyone. He's coming. He's coming. Rulshik bro, can you please turn on your camera? Rulshik bro, can you please turn on your camera? Rulshik bro, are you here? Yeah, can you turn on your camera, please? Front cam. Oh, sorry, bro. Just a minute. Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, you can. So
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can see you. You are steering wheel only.
Okay, hey, bro.
Yeah.
Now can you see me?
Okay, guys. So have a look. He is the founder and chairman of Bexfolio. So he is going to be also a trader and going to assist you in part of your trading journey. He is a main person in Backfolio because he's a chairman. Okay. So if you have anything, he is also going to share his analysis, his views, his trades in the Backfolio group. If you are the part of Backfolio group, you can also view his analysis, view his everything, whatever the thing. But don't ask him about the P&L. He is going to show everything. Okay, his wins, his losses, everything. Definitely, he is going to show. Okay, bro. So if you want to say anything, just say.
Block right.
To say anything, just say, bro.
Hello.
To the community.
Okay. Hi everyone. This side Rulshid. I can attend the classes, right? Because I'm looking for some office over Ernakulam for offline sections. Okay, we are increasing our community for offline also. Okay. So searching for some office over here. So I'm driving and now I'm stuck in block. You can see this. So that's why I can't attend this class. So hope everyone get the contents very well. Like 100 rupees more than worth 110, right? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. You can leave.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. You can leave here, bro. Yeah, fine. So what is the next thing? We are going to have a breakdown using liquidity inducements theorem in the Indian market and gold. Okay. We're going to have the things. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? What car? It's a BMW. Yes. Okay, allow your interest there. Definitely, we will do gold also for the people who ask in the buy side entries. Okay. Yeah. I'm just waiting for Rulshid bro. That's it. I'm just waiting for Rulshid bro. That's why making delay. Okay. Shall we start? Nifty. Okay, it's better, right? Yeah, Nifty. One. What's the thing? Oh man, damn. This guy was insane, right? Okay, let's do the sell. Let's share this in a community. I'll show you in the future. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So look at the structure now. So what is my view currently here? The view was like price is making market is break this highs and the move was originated from here. So Nifty definitely needs to come to take out these points. Okay. Take out this lows before going higher. Okay. This is my view. And this is also looking like definite liquidity. So I was aiming for this lower point of interest because move was originated from here. The same thing we trade in GU, right? The same thing we trade in GU. So my view is to catch this move, catch this low. This is the liquidity point. And look at this. This low was just originated from an inefficient price action area. So this is going to be liquidated. So need to mark this as another one. And look at this. Price is starting making higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. So price was efficient. So once price done its duty, it needs to take out, right? It needs to be take out. So I'm marking this as a pure liquidity, entire liquidity area. Now, where can I get my entry point? So if you are looking for an entry point, just look at the structure and the transfer areas. So where's the reason transfer occurs? Okay. So price is making lower highs and lower lows. In this lower highs and lower lows, the last push was happening from here, right? So if there is any transfer happening in this area, yeah, definitely transfer happens from this area. So this block was being the reason and we got a tap and look at this high. This high swept a lot of liquidity over here. We got swept a lot of liquidity over here. And in the same time, we got a breakout structure, right? breakout structure here. So this guy was being protected. Now I'm switching my time frame to 15 minutes. So see where I can able to get an entry. Okay. So look at this. So price is just grabbing the liquidity and breaking the structure internally. Look at this. Price is grabbing the liquidity, breaking structure, money transfer. So money transfer taking part. Again, price is breaking structure. And just look at this. We got an efficient price action to this. And now the same thing happens again, right? So if it is a 5 minutes, I think it will be very clear. So it's not clear. Okay, so fine. So let's deal with 15 minutes. Okay. So now look at this, price breaks the structure one more time and we got a transfer over this area. Now look at the order flow. Price was transferred from here to here to here to here. Now this is the last time we need to get a transfer, right? So this could be a possible block for the transfer. This could be the possible block, and look at this, price just made an inducement here and taken out. Inducement was taken out already. Price needs to come to this block and get reverse, right? And we are going to fix our targets. So this will be the entry. This will be the stop loss. This will be the TP area. Sorry, I was forgetting to mention the full wick area. Yeah. I think we got this more, something more higher than this. I think I got, yeah, this is the trade we got. So I just shared this thing also. I'll show you, okay? So look at this. Look. Guys, there is additional confluence behind this trade. I can't be able to reveal all the things because Gulshit bro asked me to don't reveal all the things in a single camp. People won't get the things, and in the same time, people can't be able to get all the things. And we need to take time. So I can't be able to reveal other confluences here. So oh. Then we get it. I didn't get any response from the chat box. Guys, you get it? How is it? How is it, bro? Guys, I need to interact with you. That's why I'm here and I was giving more than I promised. Like I was giving more than enough, right? Just give your reviews. Just 70 number of reviews can satisfy me today. Yeah, can't hold that much due to experience. Yeah, to be frank, I don't read Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm just sharing the analysis with my friends, my students. Yeah, definitely we will give. What great bro, super good. What confirmation you got there? I just explained all the things, bro. Then why you are asking me? Nice, mind blowing. 1 month till 52. Yeah, why not? Bro, there is another TPs also. You need to remember, this is not a only one TP we are having. We are having several TPs. That's why I marked all the lines. So we are having some more TPs. In intraday, we have like every low as a first TP. So look at this. This was a previous day. Okay. In this previous day low was the first TP of ours. Oh man. So this was the first TP of ours. This TP, this was the first TP, and this low was second one, and this was third one. And we don't look for like look for that much of trades, right? And I don't trade Bank Nifty and Nifty. So some glimpse of market, bro. Your father's Splendor, which model? Hero Splendor. 1+70, Raghavendra, bro. Show gold in higher now if possible. So gold in HR if possible. Only money transfer, simple company. Bro, definitely not, bro. Definitely not. Now you have 100% confirmed that we need only liquidity to read, not structure. Yeah, definitely we need only liquidity. You are like God science for me. Really? The thing is, there is a lot of confidence begins with this particular trade idea. Okay, now I'm also planning to buy RM5. Why? Why not? Just buy it. It's a good one. RM5 is a good buy. So shall we do one more breakdown? As per your wish. What is yours? If you are really willing, we can able to. No. Okay, no. Fine. No entry in the correction, I mean counter trend. The thing is, okay, let me explain. I can't be able to reveal all the things. Yeah, we can able to take trades in counter trend. I'll explain, okay? I'll show you something. Okay, just a minute, I'll show you. Okay. So I need to pass the screen for a while because I'm going to access my own content. Okay, just I need to pass the screen for a while. Give me a minute. Okay. I hope my screen is visible for everyone, right? Anything gold, BTC? Yeah, gold available. So can we have an upside trade? Why not? Next phase of CAMSA, we need time management like money management. We did manage everything efficiently, right? The thing I failed is to take the session very efficient. Because some people's made delay. I didn't make any delay, right? I don't make any delay. I was very sharp for the session. I was taking the session without any gap. I didn't take any gaps for me personally. And I don't make that much of time, right? So I hope my screen is visible for everyone, right? My screen is visible for everyone, right? Guys. Okay. So look at this. Why not to counter trade? Look at this. These are the trade idea, Euro USD 5 minutes. So price needs to come like this. So price needs to come, and again from here we need to come from here, or else we need to bounce from here. These are the ideas we got. And what happens? Just have a look. Here I got stopped out. I accept. Okay, I got stopped out. Price came and bounced from here. Yeah, it happens. Look at this. As per the expectation, it will be. You can able to take counter trend trades also. This is not the only one trade you do. Look at the discard. So this is full of my personal trades. I took a lot of trades. I'll show you something. Okay. So this is yes. I did share all the trades I'm taking. So even though, look at this. This was the gold idea which was shared by me. Look at this. So it was in 1 week. So it was simple price action. It was when price was here, it was in 1,735. And after that, price reaches 1,900 and something. I'll show you that thing also. And we got massive trades from here. I think we got a super gold trade and many trades. Like this, I shared many things with my community. Yeah, I shared every trades here. I'll explain. Okay, I'll show you. So yeah. So these are the trade areas which are shared with the entry, exit also. Everything was shared. I'm just showing how it's going to be look like. Yeah, look here. So I was waiting for the price to tag here and fall, right? Sorry, this is AG. Yeah, look here. So I was waiting for the price to get a tagged in and fall. And I just shared, look at this. Before and after, this is the massive trade we got in gold. Using liquidity inducements theorem, which offers us, I think, 1:44 plus 1:34 something. And this is the not only one trade. Look at this. We got one more entry and we got one more entry. Look at this. So everything was higher time frame analysis and lower time frame entries. The entries are based on lower time frames and look at this. This was my unforgettable one. Adani Wilmer 4-hour chart. Okay. Look at this. I was guessing the price from faulty here to here. And now if you went to Adani Wilmer, four-hour. Done, right? So I was guessing the price from falling here to here. It was falling more than this. And we got a trade using LAT over this area, I think. Which area? Let me explain. So after a huge fall, we got a, yeah. Using this, yeah, here. 1 hour. Using liquidity inducements theorem, we got a trade in Adani Wilmer in this area. We got a trade. Only short one. So is there any other doubts? So what is inducement from your point of view? Inducements are like your greed, and the market is using your greed, your emotions, your fear against you. That's what inducements. People are getting faked and people are getting trapped. Buy position, bro, yeah, bro, bro, so you can't able to ask everything in a single session, right? I can able to, but bro, you look, no, I don't look any fundamentals. When you know pure technicals, why you need to know about fundamentals? Difference between grab and sweep, okay. Sorry, I was not permitted to reveal other things because rules pro tells that if you are explaining 3 breakdowns, you are not allowed to share other contents. That's why. Difference between, because you just asking everything in a single session, right? I can't able to share because we are having a community, we are having our own community. So is there any other topics to learn? Yeah, there is lot of topics to learn. You never learn even 10% from liquidity inducements theorem. I hope there is a noise. Can you hear the noise? If yes, let me know. Okay, I'm muting myself, okay? Until your doubts are clear, I'll be here. And I got a Q&A session in just few minutes. There is no rules given by RB. RB just give guidelines and RB says don't trade forex because a lot of people making losses and Indian money go out in like the thing is, forex was not legal, neither illegal. You can do it in your own risk. That's it. Just forget, okay? Yeah, I didn't forget, bro. We will start a Q&A session in 3 minutes, okay? And there is a question. I think I forgot to explain that question. Yeah, bro, there is other topic. Is there any other topic to learn? Definitely. You didn't learn even 10% in LIT, which is meant by liquidity inducements theorem. Inducement is like a false high and false low. Right? No, definitely not. There is lot behind inducement. When you enter for the liquidity inducements course, you will study at least 40 slides only for liquidity, about liquidities, only about liquidities. You are not going to study about structures. You are not going to study about order blocks. You are going to study about only liquidities. What are the type of liquidities? How price is going to react after collecting every single liquidity? How it is going to look like? These are the things. This session, bro, what is IPDA? IPDA means interbank price delivery algorithm. The interbank price delivery algorithm is an algorithm which banks are really using to trade. Okay. Okay. Now come to the point FVG. How many times we just forgot this new? What is the course happening? When is the course happening? The course is we will be, so I'm going to shift Ernakulam within this week. Rulshit is searching our office. Okay, what is that risk or risk of to trade forex in India? I told you already. It's your own risk. It's your own risk, and no one is going to track you. No one is going to trap you. It is like if you are going to cheat by a broker, no one is going to be responsible. In the stock market, if you are going to cheat by a broker like Zara, angel investor, someone, government can able to recover your money. But in forex, if you are got cheated by some foreign brokers, the money can't be able to recover. That's what called your own risk. So what is IPDA? Why timing is changing? Yeah, IPDA is interbank price delivery algorithm. For the every summer and winter, the timing will be changed. So for the every summer, it will be separate time. The every winter, it will be separate time. The details of full course. Yeah. In the end of this session, we will share. If we are joining your course, how much day session will be there, bro? It depends upon the stage you are. It takes 3 stages: basic, intermediate, advanced. If you are belongs to the advanced session, it will take only 1 month. For that 1 month, I'll be training you completely for 1 week. For the next 2 weeks, you can able to like trade with me. And for the last week, you need to practice alone and you need to test the strategy. This is for LIT, which is meant by liquidity inducements theorem. What is that risk? Yeah, I told you already, losing money. Okay. And some more brokers did not do. Yeah. In forex, yeah, there is a lot of fake brokers, I accept, but there is a lot of good brokers. Okay. I am using Exness. If you want to use a good broker, just try me, just get an invite link from me. Okay. That is very good. Like I using this broker for the 1.5 years. I got immediate withdrawals and there is no lag in deposits also. Nothing more than that. No. From government side, yeah, they won't give you anything from government side if you are trading forex. Okay. Recording class available. Yeah, definitely available. So then which broker is best? Exness. IC market. No. IC market, comparing IC markets to Exness, Exness was the best one. There are every payment systems available and I am using this. And in Exness, there is raw broker, raw accounts available. Course fees, and yeah, definitely I'll update. Course model. Yeah, definitely I'll give the course model. If you want to learn about liquidity inducement theorem course model, I just shared a post in my Instagram profile. You can go and have a look. Okay. Nowadays, I have some issue in Exness, bro, but now I'm in exam. Exam was worst, bro. I just used the exam. The spread was very huge. I don't face any problems. I'm still using Exness. Okay. For my personal funds, using Exness. Vantage, yeah, Vantage that's so good. Why FTMO was blocked now in India? Due to these problems, due to the away guidance, FTMO was blocked. So now it's time to Q&A. Okay, so here, raise your hands one by one. Okay, raise your hands one by one. Don't ask for the course details. I'm going to share the course details end of the session. Just raise your hands and I'm going to call you one by one. Okay. Okay, now Saurav. Yeah, you're unmute. Saurav, you can unmute. Saurav. I think you are not there. Saurav. Yes, you can speak. Saurav, just unmute and speech. Unmute and speech. What about Tickmill? One of my friend is using, not my friend, my brother is using Tickmill. I don't hear about Tickmill, bro, to be fair. In exam, no swap charges. No swap, but high spreads, bro, high spreads and something hidden. The liquidity provider was not perfect. Is like, I don't like exam. It's like a scamming. But exam spread is a big knock. Yeah, excess spread is higher, but the thing is you need to update the accounts, raw spread, zero spread accounts. Yes, course models. Yeah, definitely we'll share it in them. Can we use this LIT in crypto? Everything. In crypto, bank nifty, nifty, everything. What about 8 cap? 8 cap is fuck. Simply fuck. 8 cap. A7K. Bro, can you tell first course free and details then Q&A session? No, definitely not. We just shared the agenda already, okay? Unmute one more time. What about FX small bull? I don't know about FX small bull. It's FX even. So just, okay, let's come to Q&A, okay? Saura, unmute your mic and speak.
Yeah, brother, are you listening to me?
Yes, I am listening you.
Yeah. So, brother, can I annotate?
Yes, you can annotate. Which one?
1 minute. View option, and I don't see my annotation tool. What's the problem?
Which chart you want to annotate?
No, I just draw one chart
Okay.
as me personally, but
Okay.
I cannot annotate your.
Okay, just ask first.
annotation.
Okay, whatever the thing, just ask first. Okay.
Okay.
58
Okay.
numbers, okay. You can able.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just mark. Take care. I need to clear all the doubts.
Yeah. So first my first 1 minute. I mark my questions. Yeah. So my first questions, when I see money transfer gonna happen, is a money transfer is a order flow or not?
It's kind of order flow, but
Yeah.
only
Yeah.
there is
I
things
see,
behind it.
when,
I can't. Ruleshit bro asked me to do not explain everything individually. If you are going to share 3 breakdown videos, he allowed me to. Yeah, Sam. I'll unmute yourself. Okay, one by one. Okay. Ruleshit bro asked me to share only 1 breakdown video and some things. And when he knows that I'm sharing 3 breakdown videos, he asked me that don't share all the things here. If you are sharing 3 breakdowns, it's completely fine. Just stop with the breakdowns so that I can't able to explain here. Okay?
Yeah, brother, but this is also something. Yeah, I know the course is very bigger. Yes, I know everything because I am from alchemist trader.
Yeah,
you know
it's
that
not a problem. I already told you that.
Yeah.
No, not a matter where are you from. These concepts are going to blow your mind.
Absolutely. I know these concepts, everything, all that. But the money transfer is a new concept for me. Is a fancy word for order flow like that.
Okay. We can able to speak. Okay, we can able to speak lot of times. I accept. But the thing is, just finish your question as of because
yeah.
If you want to ask long time, I'm here to clear your doubts. We can able to discuss last. Okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, brother, but I want to annotate. So
just annotate.
How,
just do.
So how I annotate? I don't get my annotation tool. I don't get my annotation tool. Yeah. Now I
just do it faster because we are having 58, 60 members.
Yeah. Absolutely, brother. So,
guys, raise your hands now. Then only I can able to unmute yourself one by one. Okay. If you are rising in that particular time, I can't able to. Just raise your hands now. Okay. Just draw it quicker, brother.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
brother, just see here to here is my range.
Okay.
So as per you, after I consider this is a strong low created a weak high, and there is a money transfer begin, and after the break of structure, price gonna create inducement and tap into the POI, and then like this, okay, like ping pong stuff. But
Okay.
there is my question is how I use the money transfer, like after after
I
buy
already told you, my brother. I already told you the thing. I can't explain. If I'm explaining 3 breakdowns, I can't allow her to share any other materials. That's why I can't be able to help you. Okay. I hope you got it right.
Yeah, bro.
You got it. We are working honestly, right? We did,
Yeah, absolutely.
we did share more than you want. Okay.
Okay.
Correct. Okay.
Got it,
Definitely I'll
got
share. Okay. Yeah.
Got
What
it,
is the
got
next?
it, got it, brother.
Who's the
Thank you.
next? Yeah. And yes, Raghavendra. You can unmute. Yes, Raghavendra. You can unmute. Then the Q&A is useless, bro. Okay, bro. If it is useless, then leave. Not a problem. Then tell me about the course. Yeah, definitely I'll share the course details at the end. Okay. If this Q&A was useless, then just leave. You can leave. Okay. Raghavendra. Yes, Raghavendra, are you there? Bro, are you there? Yes, Raghavendra. Are you there? Okay, next one. Sam. Sam, kindly raise your hand. Sam, kindly raise your hand. Sam, what's your Zoom name? I can't be able to find it. You are visible in chat box only. Sam. Sam. Shan? Is it Shan or Sham? What's your name? Just type Sam. Okay, just a minute. Sorry for making delays. Sorry for making delays. Yeah, there is only one Sam here. Sam, you can unmute.
Sure.
Yeah.
As you told, I don't want to ask more questions, but
Okay.
actually, I wanted to ask you about FVG.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Okay, I'm sharing. Okay, I'm sharing.
liquidity grab and liquidity sweep.
No. You should not ask questions.
It's okay. It's
I
okay.
can explain only one thing. Okay. Just FVG. Okay. The concept behind the FVG. Okay. Only thing. Don't ask any other concept. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, I got some mic issue now. Please connect me. Yeah, I'll connect you again. Connect you now. Okay. The truth behind the FVG. So let me ask one minute. I think Rudshik bro start. One minute, bro. 1 minute. Okay, guys, Rudshik bro allows me to share FVG. Okay, now we are going to listen FVG. So shall we do about the magic in FVG? Chat box, everyone. If you want to know about the magic FVG, magic of FVG, just let me know. Then we can do. Okay, so kindly listen. So everyone, just listen. I hope my screen is visible for everyone, right? FVG and imbalance are same. Yeah, FVG and imbalance are same. Okay, so now I'm going to explain why FVG was more powerful. Okay, you all FVG not from FVG means ferroliquid. I told you FVG only, bro. FVG. Okay, yeah. Have you seen my toolbox? Where is my toolbox? Oh. Where is my toolbox? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, now listen, guys. So what is the power begin Q&A? This is Q&A, bro. Raise your hands to ask your questions, okay? So bro, I'm conducting Q&A. I'm explaining people's doubts. If you're having doubts, just raise your hands. This is Q&A session. If it is not a big thing, people are interested. So I need to explain, okay? But FEG is not a very big, it's a very important factor. I don't think it was not a matter. It's a very important factor in the market. So I hope you know about the order block system, right? Order blocks and institutional theories. FEG also liquidity. I'll explain it. Is there anything left to learn about LED? Bro, there is a lot of things left. I didn't even teach even 10% of liquidity inducements theorem. Learning lecture like starting of the bootcamp on this bootcamp. Okay, so now listen. So for sometimes just don't ask any questions. I'll tell you when you ask questions, when you need to ask. Okay. So listen here, I'm going to explain. So if it is an order block, what happens here? Institutions and larger banks are going to put 100 lots, sorry, 100K lots, 100K buying lots. What happens due to the 100K buying lots? Due to the 100K lots, there is an inefficient price action going to happen in the market. Why? Because in a bear market, there is a suddenly 100K buy lots are placed. Due to this buy lots placing, there is an inefficient price action. Only buyers, no selling lots, like only buyers. It's going to be continued like this. So there is only buyers, right? There is only buyers. There is only buyers. Only buyers are left in the market. Because of this 100 lots, buyers. Here, there is no sellers. What we need to do? Market always needs to be balanced. It means market needs to be balanced. It means it needs to be filled with both the buyers and sellers. Not only by the buyers, not only by the sellers. Why? Because if you are winning, someone is going to lose against you. That's why we need both the players. So what market needs to do? Market needs to fill the inefficient price action. Look at this. Fill the inefficient price action now. By a trap, by making a trap. This is a selling trap. This is a trap. After mitigating, what happens? Here 100K buying lots. Here the price was almost balanced. So maybe 85K sell lots are entered. 85K sell lots. Okay. 85K sell lots are entered here. So the market was almost balanced, right? Not fully balanced, but almost balanced. And now the inefficient price action was filled. How? Because there is a huge momentum because of the sudden 100 lots. And this was now filled. So after filling the FVG, price needs to fly higher. This is how FVG works. And this is why the FVG was so powerful. In any place, market needs to be balanced. Market is coming to the place to fill the inefficient price action. That's why we are looking inefficient price action before our order block. If there is no inefficient price action, we should not look that particular thing. Clear? Make sense? Chat box. Does it make sense? Everyone. If it is make sense, let me know, or else we can. I hope it makes sense for everyone, right? Okay, what is the next one? Who's the next one? So the next one is, please explain again. Okay, no issues. So look at this. So market is in a bear trend. Okay, there is a downtrend. Institutions and larger banks are placing 100K buying lots here, over here. Due to the 100K buying lots, there is a huge sudden momentum happen. Price is just making like the moment, like the move like this. Due to this, inefficient price action happens in the market. What is inefficient price action? Market needs to be filled with both buyers and sellers. In this candles, look at this area. In this area, there is no sellers. And after some time, price needs to rebalance the price action, which is imbalanced already, and need to be trap some traders. Why this trap happens? Because when you are entering at this place, you are going to win some money. Who is going to sponsor that money? Who is going to sponsor that money to you? Who is going to sponsor that money? You are going to enter, right? Let me explain, okay? If you are going to enter here with the stop loss of this, so 1:3. If you are entering with only 1K, okay, just 1K, just 1K, you are going to get here 3K as a reward. Who is going to give money? These institutions are here to give you money? Definitely not. So it needs to tap the traders who are failed to identify the perfect move. So they are entering sells over here, entering sells and entering sells and entering sells. They are getting trapped. So their money, which is mean by stop losses, are going to use to give rewards for you. Is it clear? Yeah, larger institutions are responsible. Is it clear? I hope it makes sense, right? If it makes sense, let me know in the chat box. Everyone, we can able to move. We have a lot more to go, guys. Come on. Okay, fine. So who's the next? Crystal and clear. Okay, thank you. So who's the next one? So kindly raise your hands, then only I can be able to pick. Sagar. Sorry. So Saurav, your session was over. Kishan.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, yes. Hi, bro.
Bro, if I join your course,
Yes.
if I join your course, how much days it will take, bro, for completing?
If you are already know about SMC concept and trading strategies, it will take only 1 month to complete. If you are a beginner, it will take at least 2.5 months to complete entire things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
After we should backtest for 1 month, right? At least.
Yeah, we can backtest.
Okay. One session will
It
be
will
daily.
be included in the session. The session will be daily.
Okay. Daily session for 1 month continuously.
No, it will like there is gap between the sessions, and Saturday and Sunday there is only one session, and like there is a gap.
Okay. Saturday, Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other doubts?
No, bro. If okay, I will ask.
Okay. So Raghavendra, yes. You can unmute your mic and speak. Raghavendra, yes. Raghavendra, yes. You can unmute your mic and speak. Yes, Raghavendra. So, okay, move to the next one, okay? So, Nath, NATH. Who's this? You can unmute your mic and speak.
Hi, sir. Sir, can we use this strategy in high volatile crypto markets?
Everywhere. This
everywhere.
is working everywhere.
Okay.
Is there any other doubts?
Nothing, sir. I like to join your course, full course.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, Anand Lalu.
Hey, bro.
Hi, bro. How are you?
I'm fine, bro. From my side, my name is Manand.
Mhm.
I would like to ask a question about this
Yeah.
course.
Hmm.
Though I'm a beginner,
Okay. Okay. Let me one minute. Okay.
okay,
Just go to Google. Okay. If you are like want to know about us, just to go Google and type bexfolio.com. Just go to Google and bexfolio.com. There you can able to view the price history and the trading course about the course contents. So you can here. So there is a basic program. So he entered forex market, supply and demand, basic trading strategies here, and intermediate and advanced. The advanced was liquidity inducements theorem. Just go and have a look. So now you can ask your doubts. What is your doubt?
okay. Okay, bro. So when I buy this course, who will be our mentor
I am the mentor.
from starting onwards?
Yeah. Why
Oh,
you need anyone?
okay, bro. Okay, bro.
You need anyone else?
I thought it was Rulshi.
Rulshit bro is a part of this. So he is a master.
Oh, okay, bro. Thanks.
Okay. What are the things you need to know?
Okay, bro.
What else? So, bro, please give a flash discount. Sure, bro. Why not? In Malayalam, I will be there. Yeah. The course will be conducted in 3 different languages: Tamil, English, Malayalam. I don't know that much Malayalam. I was trying to learn. Okay. So, Rulshit bro is teaching me Malayalam. Until it, Rulshit bro and me will take this part in the session. I will speak little bit Malayalam. Okay. And you need to know liquidity inducements theorem was worth more than $2,000. You can go anywhere, liquidity inducements theorem, and no one will teach you this much. That is the important thing. No one. Take every foreigner, take every liquidity inducements theorem. No one can able to teach this much. So is there any other doubts? If it is there, no doubt, let me know. Okay, guys, can you do one thing for me? Oh, okay, yeah. So another Adi, you can unmute and speak.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, bro. Hi.
Is my voice audible?
Yeah, your voice is audible.
So my question is not regarding the structure or lit. I am asking a different aspect of forex trading.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So my question was like I am SMC trader and I trade supply and demand and liquidity a little bit. And your concept was really amazing. Like it was mind blowing.
Okay.
Like it was eye opener. So, and my question is like forex trading is not that much legal in India. Like people say the stuff like that. So I am planning to take $300 challenge in my forex funds, right?
Okay.
And as my risk to reward ratio and average win rate, I generally make 10% of my capital. Like I make 10% in a month.
Okay.
Of my capital. So
okay.
in $300,000 account, it is around 24 lakhs and something.
Okay.
It is a huge sum of money, right?
Yeah.
So how will I be able to withdraw that money in crypto, or because crypto is volatile and there is an option for deal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is deal available in India and other things like that? Is there
deal is available in India. We are using deal also.
So okay, you are using deal, but if a huge sum of money inflows and outflows from your account, then banks and government will look into the account and see what is happening. And if they find out that this guy is trading, or if let's say this guy is doing something illegal kind of thing, and
no, really no. So
like,
don't worry about this thing, okay?
no,
so
I was worried
30K, right?
about this.
You know, you have now $24K, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I am trading my own capital for now, right? but I'm planning for big moves.
No,
like
it don't
big
happen
moves.
because we are trading with like more than 200K, 400K, 500K accounts.
Okay, then.
Okay,
So,
we are also in India, right? We are also in India, right?
Yeah. I
Don't
saw
worry.
you guys.
It's
So
just
that's
the people who don't know the things will share these things, like, okay?
okay. So just my question was that is deal available in India and other things like
Yeah,
that?
it's available in India.
Okay, then. And there are many people who provide like third party who provide funds not sorry. They are in contact with MFS, and they provide withdrawals, like withdraw in their crypto wallet, and they will provide
We are
funds in India.
having this, bro.
Yeah, but I'm having trust issues with those guys. That's why I'm not preferring those guys.
Okay. Yeah, you can use deal. That's not a problem.
Yeah, okay. That's why I was asking for you.
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, yeah, welcome. So if there is no proper money transfer, there will be FVG, right, bro? Like most of the time. It not means like that. We need FVG will appear in everywhere because price is also moving buyers and sellers. So it needs to be balanced. So let me explain you one thing again. So look at this. So kindly delete who's this. Don't mark this, guys. Look at this. So I'm explaining. Look at this. In the buying structure, this retracement move happens. Why? Because we need liquidity to go higher. Okay, like that's why I showed you some picture. Okay, let me show you again. So look at this picture. In this picture, what happens? Price just came and retraces to collect some highs. Why? Because we need money to go lower. This money helps to go lower, and this money helps to go higher and collect this high. And this high helps to go lower. This is the theory. Got it? So now these are the don't worry about that. If you can withdraw to crypto, we will change you that cash and back money. We have that much hold, brother. Okay. Yeah, always our community will be helpful for you. Okay. Same. Fees definitely not good. You can go on anywhere, see anywhere. If you can able to see less than our course fee, you can directly come and get the course for free. Definitely. I'll offer this. Because I know the industry and I know everyone. That's only then only I'm like no one is going to take live classes for you. They will provide only recording. I'm going to take live classes, going to trade live with my students, going to share all the analysis. Who is going to do that? Definitely no one is going to do. That's why the pricing was here. And I know this is a minimal feesing. After this first boot camp, I don't know, we are going to conduct again. If you are conducting, every price will be double. If the class is offline, how much days it will be class? And is the fees different from online? Yeah, definitely. For offline, we need to provide you some accommodation, food, and we need to arrange the offline session office also, right? There is a difference in fees, but you can trade with us, right? Your mindset will be different. You can able to easily catch our mindset. Okay, so clear chart, bro. How many times I can show? Fees adhigama irukana. That's why I told you. The thing is, you can, if it looks very higher, go to other places and have just have a look on other courses and other contents and how they are teaching. If it is less than us and they are providing more than us, just come and take the course for free. Okay. Hey bro, I'm the one who annotated. Haha, just explain it what liquidity grab, sweep, and interaction. No. There is a difference between liquidity grab and sweep. So I'll explain it later. Okay. Not I was planning to explain here, but due to explain in three breakdowns, I can't reveal this. Okay. So you can share your knowledge, bro. That's not a problem. Okay. If the class is offline, how much days it will be the class? Oh, how much course fee? Let's go to the baxfolio.com. All the details.
boot camp na enna adula enna solli theruveenga
actually boot camp na enna na so na vandu oru just a minute school போய் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க
படிப்பீங்க அவங்க சொல்லி தருவாங்க. ஓகே.
இப்ப நான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட எக்ஸாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ட்ரேடிங் தான் என்னோட பிசினஸ்.
ஓகே.
இப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னா இதை வந்து இப்ப வந்து எனக்கு ஒரு 3 years. So can you hear me, guys? I don't know why my laptop suddenly stucks. Can you hear me?
Yeah. We can hear you.
I can't do anything. If you feel comfortable to share your panel, share high panel or day. I told you in the initial, just go on. Like I told you, we are not the group to show our some things. Like we are real traders. We are sharing everything: entries, exits, losses. Why we need a PNL? If it is there any use, then you can ask whatever the thing. If you are going to get something from our PNL, definitely we are going to share. Okay, but I don't love. If we backtest for 1 month after the course, we can be consistent in trading daily with 0.1, 0.1. It's possible, right? No, it's up to you, bro. You can able to consistent within a month. It's depend upon the amount of work you are going to put in the market. So your trading is your primary income. Yeah, I'm not doing any job. Trading is my primary income. Yeah, the trading is only thing I'm doing. I'm a full-time trader. Is there any other doubts? So no one can make proper profits in days or months. Yeah, I accept. Definitely I accept, bro. I'm not telling that I'm a god, I'm making that much. I'm not telling that, right? I'm not telling that. Yeah, it's yeah, no one is gonna make it. I told you already. In some months I was up 30%. In some months I was in a profit of 10%. In some months I was in a profit of break even. In some months I was in a profit of -2, -4.
Hello.
Yeah. What?
Bro, I am Saurav.
Yeah, okay. What?
So brother, I am reaching your website and I get your advanced course, and
okay.
there is a one information. You take classes 1-to-1.
Yeah, I take 1-to-1.
Yeah, how many classes do you take?
I think at least
in
4.
In total.
There is like I think it's 4 or more. 4 or more. Definitely 4 or more.
Okay.
Not 1 or 2.
Means weekly once.
No. The thing is, we are going to conduct using batch, and after this, if I'm free, if you are available, then you can share me the link. I'll be with you.
Yeah. Okay. I understand, brother.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Guys, if you have any doubts, so that is out screen time should be more, right? That is how much effort we are putting. Yeah. It depends upon the amount of work you are putting on the charts, amount of time you are spending, amount of being honest you are. It takes 1 month. Some people, yeah, definitely it's going to take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. It depends upon the amount of work you are going to put in chart. No matter you are taking trades or not, you need to put what's in behind of charts. So here, all of you need to know one thing. The LED is, yeah. Like to join our course, please share the details after this class. Thanks. Yeah, just go to Bexfolio website. There is the course and contents available. We will share the detailed curriculum as an Instagram post today. Okay. Within today night, I'll share the course curriculum as an Instagram post. Which firm do you trade, bro? We have first class forex funds, FCFF, and next step funded, and the funded trader. It takes years ago. Yeah, definitely, bro. It's depends upon you and your work only. It takes months, years. But once you are already, if you are already experienced in the market, once you come, it won't take years. Okay, it just take months. Because you are already experienced in the market and now you are going in a right place to learn from the mentors directly. Okay, it takes years. No. The screen time and practicing more. Yeah, definitely. Just go to FX Reply website and access 5 days free trial. Backtest your strategy first. If it is a real strategy and working in the FX Reply, then just go and use it in the market. Unless or until, don't trade in the live market. Okay. I hope it all makes sense. Bro, tell me something more about LIC versus SMC. Bro, I just showed you all the things. Why I need to tell? Huh? SMC was like, it doesn't make any sense, bro. Your trading are kind of simple kind of structures, following structure and following breakout structure. It doesn't make any sense for me. Definitely, SMC was not make any sense for me. I'm trading liquidity which makes sense for me because we need a lot of money. We need billions of dollars to move the market from a place to another place. So it takes money to make money, right? So it makes sense for me to trade liquidity inducements theorem. And in the same time, it does not make any sense for me to trade SMC, right? I hope you got the point, right? Like BOCHS, etc. LIT follow that. Okay, thank you. Yeah, LIT, we don't trade breakout structure and change of characters only in LIT. You see that, right? Finally learned something because of you, bro. Got some fresh ideas. Yeah, definitely it will be worth in the end. I know. I can able to deliver more things. I hope I'm delivering more things. Okay, just drop me a personal review in the Telegram. And before leaving in the Zoom session, just drop your review in whatever you want. If you think this was useful, just review it useful. If you are thinking it was useless, just review it is useless. I don't have any use. Okay. Difference between order block and liquidity. So order block, the areas where institutions and large banks place their orders. Liquidity is the money because they are placing their orders. Okay. That orders was liquidity. Okay. Is there any other doubts? Okay, bro, tell about your course. Yeah, just go to bexfolio.com and there is every details about the course. We will share the curriculum once this meeting ends. Okay. Yeah, we can take offline session also. Okay. If you are really interested to learning our methods, you can come to trade live with us. We are taking offline sessions. Bro, kindly drop a big review. Great, bro. Thank you so much for your teaching and interaction. Just, yeah, it's enough, but the single line, I spent 3 hours, right, for you guys. And I did deliver what you guys are asking. I'm just expecting a single review. I hope I'm eligible for that, right? Guys, am I not eligible? Am I eligible for the reviews or not? I'm just going to post this in Instagram. That's what I'm going to do. Everyone, if I'm eligible for the review, kindly post your reviews here. Or else just no problem. I know my steps and all. And come to the lesson again. Back to the lesson. Q&A session was in. And finally, thank you for trusting us from Team Bexfolio. So if you have any, just drop your reviews, guys. Bro, Manish, bro, you can check our website, Bexfolio. There, everything was available. Okay. Kindly, everyone, give your reviews, please. Everyone, drop your reviews, bro. Come on. That's it. Okay, just drop a personal review if you really loved the session and loved the way I'm teaching. Okay, just drop me a personal review. Okay, so yeah, this boot camp is complete. I promised to take the session for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, it's been almost 3 hours. We started 4 p.m. and now the time was 6:56. Okay, we are waiting for 4 more minutes. No problem for me. Okay, we will wait for 4 more minutes. You can ask your doubts. We will interact. Okay. So great value, but it's very useful. I know. I can provide more value. Okay. The thing is, you need to, it's all depend upon you. If you are really interested, you can also learn live from us. From this month, I'll shift to Ernakulam. Okay. I'll be there and I'm going to take live sessions for my students. If you are really interested, come. Yeah, I'll go trading. Yeah, I didn't explain it. I'll go trading here. It's a part of our system. Okay. Definitely not. I was not allowed to share the breakdowns. Bullshit bro told that you should not trade. Okay. Yeah, I did. I really delivered more, right? It's a rarest job. Bro, kindly, if you are really loved the session, just drop me a personal message as it will be like inspiration for me to take more sessions like this. Tell something for those people who are still okay. What do you want? Just one thing. Don't ask about breakdowns. Okay, I'll explain something. Okay, I'll explain about some rarest things no one will explain. Okay, just listen. The thing is, why I'm telling about XM is bad and XNS is super good. Why I'm telling, okay? XM and XNS, okay? The difference. What actually broker is doing, okay? XNS. The thing is, sorry, XNS, okay? The thing is, XNS, XM, you are going to deposit $1,000, okay? If you are opening one standard lot with $100, okay, with margin of 100, okay, you are going to risk $100. XM needs to connect you with the market maker, okay. Then only you are trading in the live markets. But most of the time, XM won't connect to a real broker. They are connect you with the dummy broker. So they will get out the $100. If they need to connect with the market makers, they need to pay at least $50 to market. Sorry, some commissions. If they are getting $10 as commission, they need to pay $7 to market makers and $3 for their self. Sorry, $3 for market makers and $7 for their self. XM won't do that. They will take all the money. That's why I don't refer to this broker. This is called a liquidity provider. When you are depositing some money in Forex market, brokers needs to connect you with the liquidity provider. Like we are recharging like SIMs, like we are recharging our SIM card rates. How it works? In retail shops, we are recharging SIMs, retail shops. The retail shop holder will bought some bulk amounts from the real Jio or Airtel, okay? Jio or Airtel, they are bought some real money, 1,000 rupees. And if you are recharging 100 rupees, he will get some commissions and he is going to connect you with the real broker, who is Jio or Airtel. But in the same time, in the market, people won't connect you with the real broker. That's why I don't like to trade XM and some other brokers. Okay. UPay helps when we do by GPay. Tell about market, not broker. So interesting part about market. Yeah. So in the market, every strategy is going to work. Okay. No matter whatever the strategy you are using, it's going to work. No matter whatever the strategy you can use, you can simply relay with the support and resistance. You can simply trade with supply and demand. You can simply relay with the liquidity inducements theorem. But why liquidity inducements theorem? It is high rewarding system. If you are patient enough, it's a high rewarding system. That's why. So what are the things I can share? I can able to make one breakdown in gold, but not now. Okay, we will do it later. Okay. So people are asking about buy side breakouts. We will do it in gold. Okay. We will cover this entire move, which I think like. So it's like 1,700 pips. As you said, you traded footprints. Yeah. Please wanted to know, does they real work? I'm talking about watching thing. No. Footprints really doesn't matter that much. Yeah, definitely. But as I said, every strategy is a work strategy. Every strategy is going to work. But footprints does not provide me that much value and that much thing. So that I'll post some live charts in Monday. From Monday, I'll post my charts because of the bootcamp work and preparation and all the things I can't able to share. That's why. Yeah, bro, any course offer? Yeah, sure. We will give. We will give course offer. Just interested people, just DM now. We will give the course offer today only. You will get a course offer today. And you need to submit the screenshot proof of attending this session, okay? And I just want only one thing. Everyone, I need only one thing. Just unmute, just turn on your cameras. I need to take a screenshot. Everyone, can you turn on your camera for me? Everyone. 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 So I'm also going to turn on my camera. Just turn on your camera, guys, for me. And drop the messages where you are from. That's enough. So say hi. Just a minute. Say hi. Everyone, say hi. Yeah, thank you for coming this session. So the discount will be today. Just DM us to get the discount and price details of the course and to know more about us. And thank you for coming here. And I thought I provide more value for you guys. So if you really love the session, just drop me a personal review. And guys, one more thing, just drop me a message. Where are you from? Where are you from? In the chat box. In the chat box, just drop where are you from? Everyone. Oh. So there is one person from my native. Huh? I think he's kidding, right? You're kidding, right? Hey, thank you for coming. I hope you all love this session. One man is from Nigeria. Yeah, he's from Nigeria. I know. From another country. Yeah, there is another person he's left. Who is this? Hustler. So I'm Bhagat Singh Murugesan. Murugesan was my father's name, okay? So my name is Bhagat Singh. I'm from Paramakudi, Tamil Nadu. Punjab. Yeah, love. Definitely, I love you all. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to wind the session. If you have anything to tell, just tell, okay? I'm here for 2 more minutes. Hey, guys, I'll be here for 2 more minutes. If you want to tell anything, just tell me. And I love all of you. You're from various places and you're here to learn from me. It was very proud for me, okay? Thank you for coming, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'll be your mentor. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm from Tamil Nadu. Yeah, no, I'll be. So I was a nomad. Okay, I'll be everywhere. So I need to for the next 3 or 6 months. I'll be in Kerala. There, this levels. Complete this. Yeah. So thank you for coming, guys. I'm going to wind this bootcamp. If you have anything to say, just say, or else I'm going to wind this camp in a minute. And thank you for coming here. Just drop a personal review if you really love this session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Show your face. Bro, it's available in Instagram, right? Just go. I post about videos and posts. Everything is available. Available, bro. Now. Definitely not, I think. Just a minute. Face reveal now. Everyone knows me very well, bro. Everyone knows me very well, so you just want everyone to. Yeah, but I don't know you guys, right? That's not a thing. I don't know you guys. That's why I want to reveal. That's it. I want to know who is my students. You know who is your mentor, right? So just go to liquidity 10. You can see my videos, posts, everything. Bro, kidding. Okay, bro. Thank you. So I'm ending the session and just go to Instagram and just visit Backsoley website once, okay?